Today's topic for discussion is narration change of interrogative sentence. In respect of changing a speech from direct to indirect one, when the reported speech expresses interrogation or interrogative speech, then you will see how to change the direct speech to indirect speech. Now see, here in this respect, the reporting verb will be used as ask or asked, inquire or inquired, of, want or wanted to know, want or wanted to know. The reporting verb may be used, and then the conjunction if or whether will be used, the conjunction. Then the reported speech will be changed into a statement formation. Reported speech will be made a statement, and full stop will be used at the end. Full stop will be used. Full stop will be used. Now, see in the examples how to change from direct speech to indirect speech. Suppose Ram said to me, "Do you know me?" Ram said to me, "Do you know me?" Here you see that Ram is the speaker, said is the reporting verb, "Do you know me?" This is the speech. Here the speech is used in the interrogative formation. Here at the time of converting the speech into indirect narration, here you will have to convert it in this way. Ram said to will be changed into asked. Ram asked me, comma will be removed by the use of a conjunction if or whether. Ram asked me if or whether. Then the second person pronoun is there. This is the reported speech used in the interrogative formation. Here the interrogative speech will be made a statement formation. Here the statement formation will follow subject, verb, object or other words. Here in this way, here it is the subject, here you is the second person pronoun, it is to be changed into the person spoken to. Here you is the second person pronoun. If the pronoun is used in the second person pronoun, then it is to be changed into the person of spoken to. Here you is related with me. So you will have to change the pronoun you by the use of I. Here if I knew, here know, do plus know is the present indefinite verb. Do plus know is equal to know. Here knew, K-N-E-W. present indefinite verb will be changed into past indefinite form. If I knew, me will be replaced by the use of him, because here me is the first person pronoun. Here it is to be related with the person of the speaker. Here Ram is the third person. Here me will be replaced by the use of him. Ram asked me if I knew him. In this way, you will have to convert the speech. In another example, suppose they said to us, did you go to Kolkata yesterday? Did you go to Kolkata yesterday? They said to us, did you go to Kolkata yesterday? Now, this is the speech used in the interrogative sentence. At the time of converting the speech into indirect formation, you will have to convert it in this way. They said to. Said to will be replaced by the use of asked. They asked. Next, ask. Here, if or whether will be used. They asked us if. Next, the subject you. Here, you is related with us. You is the second person pronoun. It will be changed into the person spoken to. Here, you will be replaced by the use of. This is the subject. Here, we will be used. You will be replaced by the use of we. They asked us if we. Next, here did plus go is equal to went. Past indefinite verb is there. So at the time of converting the speech, you will have to convert it into past perfect formation. Had gone. Here, did plus go is equal to went. The verb is used in the past indefinite form. And here, reporting verb is used in the past tense. So at the time of converting the speech into indirect formation, you will have to change the verb into past perfect formation in this way. We had gone next to Kolkata. To Kolkata. Yesterday will be changed into the previous day. Previous day. Here in this way, they asked us if we or whether we had gone to Kolkata the previous day. Here in this way, you will have to change the speech of the speaker in the indirect formation. And now you will see, if the speech starts with WH word, if any WH word, such type of who, which, what, when, where, why, how, any type of WH word may be used at the time of introducing the speech. If the reported speech is used with the WH words, then you cannot use the subordinating conjunction if or whether. Here in this respect, you will have to change the speech with the WH words, and then with the WH words you will have to start the speech, and the speech will be made a statement. So students, you will have to keep in mind, if the speech does not start with any WH word, then you will have to use the conjunction if or whether. If or whether. Here, if the speech is with the WH word, suppose the man said to me, when have you seen me? When have you seen me here? Here now see. Here, this is the speech used with the WH word, when. The man said to me, when have you seen me here? Here the speech starts with the WH word, when. So at the time of converting the speech into indirect narration, you will have to write the answer in this way. The man said to will be replaced by the use of asked. The man asked or inquired of, ENQUIRED, inquired of. The man asked or inquired of me. Here when is there. This is the WH word, so you cannot use any linker, if or whether. Here when will be used. When. Next you will have to convert the speech into a statement formation. Here have you. Here this is the interrogative formation. So at the time of converting the speech into indirect narration, you will have to write. Here now see, you is the second person pronoun. It is related with me. So you will have to write the pronoun I as the subject. Here when I. Next, here have seen. This is the use of present perfect verb. This is the use of past indefinite, past tense. The reporting verb is used in the past tense, and there is the use of present perfect verb, have seen. Present perfect verb will be changed into past perfect verb. Here when, you will be replaced by the use of I. Next had. Next seen. I had seen. Me is the first person pronoun. It is to be related with the man. The third person. Me is to be changed into the person of the speaker. Here the person of the speaker is third person. So me will be replaced by the use of him. Because here me is the use of objective form. And the pronoun of the man will be used in the objective form, him. Here I had seen him. Here the adverb will be replaced by the use of there, THERE. In this way you will have to change the speech. The man asked or inquired of me when I had seen him there. In this way you will have to convert the speech. In another example, suppose the girl said to me, did you give me your book yesterday? The girl said to me, did you give me your book yesterday? Now see the change. Here the girl said to. The girl said to will be replaced by the use of asked. Next me is there. The girl asked me. The girl asked me. If here you is to be related with me, here you is the nominative form, so me will be replaced by the use of I, if I. Here you is the nominative form, but it is in the second person pronoun. The second person pronoun will be changed into the person spoken to. Here you is related with me and you will be replaced by the use of I, because here you is the nominative form or subject, and the nominative form or subject of me is I. And next the verb did plus give. Did plus give is equal to gave. And here the reporting verb is used in the past tense. And here the verb of the reported speech is used in the past indefinite form. So you will have to convert the verb into past perfect formation. So you will have to write had, next given. I had given. If I had given. Next me is there. Me is the first person pronoun. It will be changed into the person of the speaker. Here me will be replaced by the use of her, because me is the first person pronoun. I have already told you that if the pronoun of the reported speech is in first person, it will be changed into the person of the speaker. Here the person of the speaker is third person, and the pronoun will be used instead of me is her, because here me is the objective form, and the objective form of the pronoun of the girl, her, will be used. And now your, here your is related with me. Second person pronoun will be related or will be changed into the person spoken to. And here me is the objective form, but here your is in possessive form, and you will have to convert the possessive form of the pronoun me, and here my will be used. Your, my. Here your will be replaced by the use of my. Now see, her, my book. My book, yesterday will be changed into the previous day. The previous day. Previous day. Here in this way you will have to convert the speech. And now see students, here in this speech you do not use the WH word, any type of WH word. And here in this respect you have used the linker or conjunction if or whether. And whenever you will see that there is the use of the WH word started with the beginning at the reported speech, then you cannot use such type of linker if or whether. Then you will have to make the speech statement with the use of the WH word. Now see another example. Suppose they said to us, what have you told us? Now see, what have you told us? They said to us. Here now change. They, ENQUIRED, inquired of us. They inquired of us. Here what is the WH word? Used at the beginning of the reported speech. And here this is the interrogative speech with the WH word what? They inquired of us. Next you will have to use the WH word what. You cannot use any linker here because there is the WH word. Here what? Next you will have to use the subject. Use the subject here. What is used here as the object? This is the object. And here you will have to make the speech a statement formation. So just after using the WH word, you will have to use the statement formation. So you will have to use the subject. Here use the subject, and here use the second person pronoun. It is related with the person spoken to. So the subject of the word you will be replaced by the use of us. Here we will be used. Here what we. They asked or inquired of us what we. Next the reporting verb is used in the past tense, and here present perfect verb is used. They have told what we. Next have told. Have told will be used as had told. Had told. Next us is there. Us is the first person pronoun. It is to be related with they. Here us is used as the object. So you will have to convert the pronoun into objective form. Here us will be removed by the use of them. So students, you see the changes now. They inquired of us what we. What we. Here you have been replaced by the use of we. Next the verb. have told, present perfect verb will be replaced by the use of had told. Present perfect verb had been changed into past perfect tense in this way. Next, us is the first person pronoun. It is to be replaced by the use of them because us is the objective form. So students, in the interrogative sentence, you will have to change the speech in this way. Thank you.